So the stove's still looking good. There's no leakages from around the top, which is even better. The temperature is 150 degrees centigrade, or just over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. But what I'm actually filming is, can you hear that kettle? That kettle is boiling, and that is taken just over half an hour from the fire being lit from cold. And bearing in mind it's the first time the fire's been lit since probably April time. So from cold to a boiling kettle, half an hour. So we're now going to make a good cup of tea for free.